So I am doing an iPhone 6s backlight filter repair with my Hakko FM2023 micro tweezers. I'm doing this video to compare it to the JBC NASE 1B Nano station, and that comes with the Nano tweezers and the Nano pencil. Alright, as you can see, it's taking me a little bit longer to get this filter out versus the JBC. And that's really where the biggest difference is between the time it takes. The tips on the Hakko are a little bit bigger than the JBC. With the JBC, I can buy the tips down to 0.1 millimeters, and the Hakko, I don't know what they are. Probably like 0.3, maybe probably bigger than that actually. I mean, it took me like, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds to take it out with the JBC. So I finally get the filter out. It took me a minute and a half. And I'm just gonna scrape away the black stuff now. And let's see how long this takes me. With the JBC, I have the Nano pencil, which makes it pretty easy to scrape away the black stuff. I do have an Hakko FM2032 micro pencil as well, but it doesn't heat very well, so that's why I don't use it. So it's going to take me quite a while to scrape away all the black stuff here. Alright, so I finally get all the black stuff scraped away. So that's another, what, minute and a half right there. And by this time, I'm already done with my JBC station. I'm already done with the entire filter replacement. So still getting a little bit of the black stuff off. I'm gonna tin the pads now and put some flux on it, tin the pads, and get ready for the filter replacement. Alright, pads are tinned, and next step is to get my filter out. And so in the JBC video, I actually had the filter ready to go already. So in this one, I had to cut it, get it out, and I think I actually lost the first one that I brought out, so it's going to take me just a little bit longer. It's coming, it's coming. Alright, here it comes. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Filter, filter, filter. There it is. Alright, so it shouldn't take that much longer now. So wiggle it a little bit. It's tight. So all in all, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit with some alcohol and Q-tip. And all in all, this doing the backlight filter in a 6S took me about 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Where on the JBC, it took me about a little over 3 minutes. But it's not a true time test because there's some other factors. But